Hello, this tutorial is going to teach you how to debug C++ programs. Now we have a nice and simple program right here. It is going to print us the value of num and temp num. So let's see what it prints out. Okay, so there's a few errors. Let's see. It says right here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to start from top and go down to the bottom while we're debugging. Because in debugging, while we're debugging, one problem can lead to a multitude of problems. So we should first start at the top, and chances are, if we do everything at the top to bottom, we might only have to eliminate one or two problems, and all of the problems will fix themselves. Now, let's look at up here. What is wrong here? Now, the first thing that is wrong is that I did not put a semicolon right here. Right? Now, let's look over here. Now, I don't think there's anything wrong here because we already fixed what was up here because the line did not end right here. So, what we do now is we look at here. What is wrong? First thing you may notice is that we did not even declare what the value of temp num is. So we first need to initialize it before declaring a value. So first we need to put int temp num semicolon. Now let's run it and see if there's anything else wrong. Now it says here that there's something wrong here. Now after looking through this, you can probably see that I only put one arrow right here. So let's fix that up and put two. Let's run it again. And there's an error right here. Now, I actually forgot to put return 0. So now if I run it, oh wait, sorry, wrong button. Here. Now it tells us the number. Now that seems pretty good. And let's try a different number. Say 9 perhaps. And now we load and run, and it turns out good. So that is the first step in your debugging path. Now, one thing you should always do while debugging, you should look at every single thing. You can make a mistake anywhere in C++. Okay? Even if you think you couldn't make any mistake while initializing a variable, it's only 2 words. You might think that it's impossible to make a mistake there. You should still check it because it's quite possible that you can make a mistake, because making mistakes is what makes us human. So just make sure you look carefully and try not to make any careless mistakes. Okay?